For 20 years, this stall has rented bikes at this Buenos Aires park. Last week, owner Elvira, who did not want to use her last name, was permitted to reopen as the city removed many restrictions after 9 months of lockdown.
The city is opening up more, but we're seeing effects on the economy. People are more careful with their money. Everything is more expensive. We are not renting as many bikes as we used to. It is hard.
Daily confirmed cases of COVID-19 are beginning to go down in Argentina. The capital is no longer officially in lockdown. Neither is the heavily populated Buenos Aires province. With summer just around the corner, the country is preparing for the coming tourist season. So while the number of infections nationwide is dropping here in Argentina, the death rate per 100,000 is amongst the highest in the world, and that's compounding fears over a potential second wave of infections. According to Johns Hopkins University, only Belgium, Peru and Spain have a higher death rate per 100,000. More than 37,000 people have died of coronavirus in Argentina.
We have not been able to control the number of deaths, even though all patients here have been treated properly, and we have not had a collapse of the system. Of course, the results are not good.
Luis Camara is on the board of advisors to the government. He says Argentina's authorities have always prioritized public health, but as the country opens up, he is one of the specialists warning about a possible second wave of infection.
What I fear is that many people think the pandemic is over or is ending, and they feel like it's back to January 2020. They don't believe in accordance with the situation. They feel it's over, that the torture has finished, and we have to let them know it's not over and could even get worse.
At the G20 Virtual Leaders Summit this past weekend, President Alberto Fernandez said Argentina has already bought vaccines to cover 10% of the population. Authorities hope a vaccine campaign in the coming months reduces the risk for the country's most vulnerable population ahead of any potential uptick. Joel Richards for CGTN in Buenos Aires.